Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Limit and Offset. Limit is an optional clause that can be added to a select statement of a SQL query to specify the maximum number of rows to return. When expecting many records in a query's result, we can display the result in multiple pages by using the offset clause on a SQL query. So let's log into our Salesforce account. Click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. To create the Apex class, we need to click on File, New, Apex class. So here we are taking the name Visualforce Limit Offset, the Apex class name. Click OK. So in this Apex class, we are taking accounts, list of account, set, get, and in the accounts, we are selecting name, phone, industry, rating from account. This is the object name. Then we are creating fixed offset. So fixed offset means it is selecting the name, phone, industry, rating from account, and value here we are providing 9. Then we are taking dynamic offset, and here we are taking integer size equals to 10, and this size we are passing over here. So from 10th record it is going to display the data. Then we are taking fixed limit, so 4. So it is going to display only 4 records. Dynamic limit, here we are taking the size, and this size we are passing over here. So in this dynamic limit we are getting only 5 records. And next we are taking limit and offset. Here we are taking 5 as a limit and 5 as a offset. So create the Visualforce page for the same. So click on File, New, Visualforce page. I am creating by the same name, Visualforce Limit Offset. Click OK. So in the Visualforce page, we are designing like this. In the Apex page, we are calling this Visualforce Limit Offset by putting the controller. Then in Apex form, under this Apex page block, title we are taking limit and offset, and here in the page block buttons we are taking the command button, value providing fixed offset, and action we are calling fixed offset. So these values, fixed offset, dynamic offset, these we are calling in action. Fixed offset, dynamic offset, fixed limit, dynamic limit, and limit offset. And what the values we are fetching? So in the Apex page block table, accounts variable we are taking A, this re-render 1. So A, this is the variable dot name, then phone, industry, and rating, and we are closing the tags respectively Apex page block table, page block, form, and page. Save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So it is displaying like this. So fixed offset, let's see in fixed offset what is there. So fixed offset, it is going to display the records after 9th record. Offset 9 means up to 9 it is not going to display. From 10th records onwards it is going to display. So let's see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ninth is Jenny Point and 10th is United Oil and Gas UK. So after clicking on fixed offset, United Oil and Gas UK, this we are getting. So next, dynamic offset. So it is going to display, it is passing the size here 10, and after 10th record it is going to display the records. So 10th record will be this one of whole record. So it is going to display from here, United Oil and Gas Singapore. So click on fixed, sorry. So click on dynamic offset. So see, from 11th record it is going to display. Next, fixed limit. So fixed limit is going to display only 4 records. From the starting it is going to display only 4 record. So click on fixed limit. So from the starting it is displaying 4 records. So dynamic limit, in the size we are passing 5. So in the size here 5 it is getting. So it will display only 5 records. Dynamic limit, it is displaying 5 records. So next, limit and offset, size 5. So here limit is going to display only 5 records and offset is going to display after 5th record. So just click on this limit offset. So from the 6th record it is displaying 5 records. Why I had taken this button? So to do the practical of all like offset, fixed and dynamic, limit, fixed and dynamic, and both. In the real time scenarios we are getting not exactly this type of coding, but it is getting like offset somewhere limit, somewhere both. So like this we are doing this. Thank you.